Hello and welcome. Today we're going to talk about aerospace companies. Now, let's first look at what is an aerospace. An aerospace is the field of science and engineering that deals with using cutting edge technology to design aircraft and spacecraft. Now, let's take a look at the 20 things aerospace companies can do. Number 1, aerospace engineering services involving manufacturing of aircraft and spacecraft. Number 2, building and designing of aircraft machines and aircraft parts. Number 3, operation and maintenance of aerospace equipment. Number 4, aeronautical engineering services with main focus on flight and flight activities within atmosphere. Number 5, they offer aeronautical engineering services and related maintenance. Number 6, they oversee the entire process of developing aircraft and aerospace products, including space launchers, rockets, space vehicles, satellites, missiles, and planetary probes. Number 7, testing and operation of vehicles operating in the Earth's space. Number 8, aeronautical and aerospace research. Number 9, mechanical engineering services. Number 10, aerospace data processing management. Number 11, military aerospace engineer solutions. Number 12, inspection and compliance services. Number 13, aeronautical drafting work. Number 14, aerospace technical services and solutions. Number 15, payload specialist engineering services such as conducting specific experiment or commercial venture on space shuttles. Number 16, control and instrumentation engineering. Number 17, aerospace navigation guidance. Number 18, avionic engineering and maintenance solution, handling electronics that relates to aviation. Number 19, aerospace engineering and security clearance. Number 20, handling of aerospace logistics and engineering technology solutions. Now, let's take a look at what it takes to be an aerospace professional. An aerospace professional must have a bachelor's degree course in aeronautical or aerospace engineering programs or related major from any accredited board for engineering and technology program, such as ABET. Additionally, he or she must have a skill in math and science aptitude and attention to detail and problem solving skills. Now, where do they work? Aerospace professionals work factory production hangars overseeing the manufacturing, designing, building, testing, and maintaining of aircrafts. They also work in offices and aeronautical laboratories using computer equipment and aircraft software design tools. Now let's look at the best 7 aerospace companies in the world. Number 1, Honeywell International. Number 2, the Boeing Company, Boeing. Number 3, Lockheed Martin Corporation. Number 4, Airbus Group SE. Number 5, BAE Systems. Number 6, United Technologies Corporation. Number 7, General Dynamics Corporation. So that is all. Thank you for watching our videos. Please click on the subscribe button below to subscribe to our channel as to see our daily submitted video. Thank you.